Our fathers, our sisters, and dear brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ. It was took the decision that we shall initiate our missionary activities in the Northeast. And we came to the Northeast. The first invitation was given to us from or by the Diocese of Itanagar. The second invitation came from Archbishop Thomas Menan-Parambil from Kohet. So, in 2005 itself, we came here, and I stood at the road there and looked to this place. And the man who brought me said, "Father, this place may be good for you to have." And gradually we bought it, and we started ministry here. And the ministry flourished when we started the one-day Bible convention here. The whole small hall that we had was overflowing with people, and we could not accommodate all those people who come out here. So gradually, Father Thomas felt the need to have a